Right, I'm going to show you how we can actually start in implementing our design to this Ionic. And if you recall, we did this at somewhere at the close to the end of first semester, where we did this and we built everything in grid in here. And if you scroll it down, you can see the navigation changes, and whoa, the navigation is all awesome. How can we actually copy this to Ionic so we can reuse our previous templates and so on? So I'm just going to show you quickly how we can actually do this. And we don't have to do everything from scratch, but of course we can. Let's go to here. This is all the CSS and all the HTML for this I just showed you here. Where did it go? Where'd it go? It's gone. There we are. So we're going to copy all this design to our new Ionic one. And I'm basically just going to take most of this and copy this over to our Ionic folder, but we don't really want everything over there because some of the parts we need are actually already there. So the header is already created through Ionic. The body is also so we just want to go from the footer, maybe it should done the other way. We just want to go from the header part up here and all the way to the footer down here. So we're just going to copy this here. And this code I have here, if you want the code, you can actually, I'll do a link in my description down here, but it's also on GitHub, so you can find it on my GitHub account. If you look here, my name, and you go to first semester YouTube examples, week 47, and then the rwd_menu, and the files are in here if you need those. And they've been there for 4 months if you didn't know, but they're on GitHub. And all the other things from first semesters as well. So we are going to copy this. I took this, copied this. I'm going to go from this is from my responsive already created static page, and this is my empty new awesome Ionic stuff. So I'm just going to open up my Ionic over here. I am taking this. So where it says Ionic header, yeah, let's just keep that for now. So we can do a change, WD, and in my content, I am going to do a paste here. So just take all the code you just copied and click paste and save. So that's kind of the first thing we have. Let's go back to my WebStorm and the other one over here. We also want to copy all our CSS, right? Yeah, we want the CSS. So copy all of this, but this is using grid, as you remember. We created everything in grid. And the point of this is to have everything look the same on the page, of course. So we wouldn't put it in here because that's only meant for the home page. For something that's global, we would use the app and the app.scss up here. It says right now it's just comment, so you can kill this if you want to, or leave it, that's up to you. But I'm just going to paste this in afterwards for now. There's no sass in this because we hadn't learned it yet at this point. So save on that one as well. And let's actually go to our terminal, see if you're in the right folder, and do Ionic serve to start our new updated super awesome page and see if it works and what actually happens here. So if it ever gets done, there are still a few things we need to do to make sure it works because only some of them are actually copied over. So you can see there's still a padding around this. There's like this one won't work because there's a small error because we use some JavaScript in our let's go one back or just hit refresh. We're going to fix those small issues in the following videos, but as you can see, you can basically just copy something you already created, put it in, and then we're going to just do small changes to make everything fit into the styles as you want or as the design, of course, requires.